Hey guys, Georgia Studies. This is Miss Richardson, and you guys are going to take your geography test this Friday. So our Zoom meeting on Thursday will be a review for your geography test Friday. So make sure you show up to that. Our social studies Zoom meeting is going to be Thursday at 1 o'clock. All right, so make sure you are here. So let's look at what you'll be doing this week. So, like I said, I was trying to add some dates on here. So if you'll follow my schedule, you'll be done with everything by Friday. On Monday, you're going to be looking at Georgia's physical features, some videos, which are, really good videos. It shows you a lot of these great features. There's no assignment. There's no grade attached to it. So I just want y'all to just watch the videos, pay attention, try to learn something, go tell your mom and dad 2 things they didn't already know about some physical features of Georgia. On Tuesday, you are going to print or either trace a copy of Georgia and locate and label some things on that map. You have to turn that in for a grade. Wednesday, I have a Nearpod assignment for you. Then there is a study guide that if you can do everything and answer all the questions on that study guide, you're going to be ready to go for your test on Friday. And then your geography test is Friday. Now, some of these things won't let me edit them. See, when there's a lock right there, I can't change the name or add a date to it. So that's why some of these assignments will have dates and some won't. So, obviously you can find that information by watching this video. So let's look at Monday's assignment, which is so simple because it's literally watching these great short videos. All right, so you're gonna find this video. These videos are all between maybe 3 and at the most 5 minutes. You're gonna find a great video on Georgia's barrier islands. You're gonna look at Georgia's highest peak, which is Brasstown Bald. Some of you have probably been there and you have climbed Brasstown Bald. The Chattahoochee River. Here's some great information about the Chattahoochee River. And then we see a beautiful waterfall behind her because she is at Georgia's fall line, and she talks about how many waterfalls we have along Georgia's fall line. Here's a great video about the Okefenokee Swamp, and then Georgia's Grand Canyon, which is called Providence Canyon, that was made by poor farming practices. I'm sure most of you have been to Stone Mountain, so there's a video about Stone Mountain, the Savannah River, and then finally there is a place in Cloudland Canyon. A lot of you have probably been there up at Lookout Mountain. It's in the Appalachian Plateau region, and there are some caves that you can go through. And so if you'll watch, so number 9, if you don't watch any of them, just eliminate number 9, but it's an interesting video. If you will watch that, it shows you some people that went through the cave up in Cloudland Canyon. And that's the only one that's a little long, but if you just watch between the minutes that I have there, then the other, the stuff that doesn't relate to this, you don't have to watch that. So anyway, my question is, would you dare go caving in the Appalachian Plateau region? So take a look at that and decide if that's something that looks awesome to you and you want to try it yourself, or not for me, maybe I'll just skip it and not get muddy. All right, so what about Tuesday? So Tuesday, this is besides your test, this is your assignment for the week that comes with a grade. So I have given you a Microsoft Word document that's a map of Georgia, and it has the information on it that I have here for you on this page also. You're going to label the 5 geographic regions of Georgia, which are the Coastal Plain, Piedmont, Blue Ridge, Appalachian Plateau, and the Valley and Ridge regions. Then you're going to label the following physical features: the fall line, Okefenokee Swamp, the Appalachian Mountains, the Chattahoochee and Savannah Rivers, and the barrier islands. So according to Georgia standards, you have to be able to find all of those things, locate all of those things on a Georgia map. So try to do that without looking. I mean, if you have to look, that's fine, but for your test on Friday, you have to know where all of those things are located as well. So see how many you can do without looking, all right? So then what's next? On Wednesday, so the map of Georgia is on Tuesday. On Wednesday, there is a Nearpod You will go through that. There are some questions that you will answer along the way. A couple of them are multiple choice and a few of them are short response. So go through that on Wednesday. And then we are meeting on Thursday. This is another great review for you. If you go to this Georgia Geography Review Study Guide, if you will fill out that, that'll ensure that you do great on Friday's test. So I am going to publish the geography test on Friday. So I really want all of you to try to get that done only on Friday, okay? All right, so that's all I was going to share with you. This is the last week of geography, and then we're going to start getting into some of the history of early Georgia times when we were still a colony for Great Britain, or of Great Britain. And so that is interesting to find out all of that stuff and to know our history. So you guys have a great week. If you need some help or have any questions or want to share something about your exploration of Georgia and our geography, please get in touch with me. Send me a message through Canvas inbox and make sure you come to our Zoom meeting on Thursday. All right, guys, have a great week. See you later.